Looking to lose your belly fat? Today I present to you the 100% fat burner juice with the goodness of pineapple and ginger in it, and it's best had during breakfast. Now for this, I'm going to take half a pineapple, wash it and clean it, and cut it into small pieces the way you see it in the video, and add it to the mixer jar. On top of this, we're going to add small pieces of ginger which are chopped. I'm going to top this up with some lemon juice. Number one, it provides some tangy taste. Number two, it also provides the all needed vitamin C. I'm going to top this up with some salt, add some pepper, and then add enough water to submerge all of these fruits. An additional input, you can also choose to add some jaggery at this stage if you want to. It is now time to grind it. Now run this juice through a sieve. The sieve will help keep out all the hard particles, especially the outer thorns on the skin. Now it's time to add some honey. Honey is completely optional depending on how sweet you want the drink to be. Now the 100% detox pineapple ginger fat burner juice is ready to be had.